Alright, today is lesson 3 in unit 3. We will write and solve equations for collection problems today. We will write labels for given situations. We will use a letter to represent the unknown. And we will write a collection word problem. Alright, to review, yesterday we looked at change plus and change minus problems. Change plus is a situation that can be represented by addition. In the change plus, the starting number of the change or the result will be unknown. So if I have n plus 2 equals 9, that would be my starting number that is unknown. If I have 2 plus n equals 9, this would be my change number is unknown. Or if I had 2 plus 9 equals n, this would be my result that is unknown. A change minus is a change situation that's represented by subtraction. In a change minus subtraction, the starting number, the change, or the result will be unknown. So I could have 15 minus n equals 8. This would be the change that is missing. I could have n minus 8 equals 7, and this would be my starting number is missing. Or I could have 15 minus 8 equals n, and that would be my result that's missing. That is a review from yesterday. Alright, next you will need to get your vocabulary out. We're going to start with a collection situation. A collection situation is a situation that involves putting together or joining, or it could be taking apart, separating groups. Your next, no action means the problem describes the total and the addends. Put together means the two addends are put together to make the total. And take apart means the total is taken apart to make the two addends an unknown. Alright, let's look at our first situation or collection problem. Before we do that, I want to review a break apart drawing. So if we have a break apart drawing, our total always goes on top. And then we have an addend and an addend. This would be the plus, minus, minus. Okay. Elizabeth's mother picked 9 blue flowers and 7 red flowers. How many flowers did Elizabeth's mother pick? First, we need to decide if this is a put together or break apart problem. And this is a break apart because she had 9 blue flowers and 7 red flowers. And the total is unknown. Just want to know how many flowers did Elizabeth's mother pick. So that's our total. So our situation equation would be F, which is the flowers, equals 9 plus 7. To solve that, I would do 9 plus 7 equals F. And I know that 9 plus 7 equals 16. So F equals 16 flowers. Let's look at the next problem. We need to decide if this is a take apart, put together, or no action. Remember that a no action problem means the problem describes the total and both add-ins. So a fruit bowl contains 18 pieces of fruit. Of these, 13 are apples and the rest are bananas. How many bananas are in the bowl? This is going to be a no action problem because the fruit does not move. So this would be the fruit equals apples plus bananas. So I would have 18, 13, and then I would have bananas. So my situation equation would be 18 equals 13 plus bananas. To solve that, I would do 18 minus 13 equals B. So B equals 5 bananas. Right. You need to raise your hand for page 128. On this page, you need to make a break-apart drawing for each problem. Then write and solve an equation using a letter to represent the unknown. So for number 1, I have a stamp collection and it contains 90 domestic stamps and 40 foreign stamps. How many stamps does the collection contain all together? Okay, so I know that this is a put together problem. So I'm going to do this. I have 90 domestic. I have 40 foreign. I want to know how many total stamps do I have all together. To solve this, I'm going to do S equals 90 plus 40, and S equals 130 stamps. Okay, you are to complete 4 through 8. When you're finished, raise your hand, get a star. Then you're moving on to the back side. We need to write a label to complete each answer. So 19 adults plus 5 children would equal 14 what? If we're combining adults and children, those are both people, so I'm going to label this people. If I have 7 dimes and 1 penny, that equals 8 coins. Okay, see if you can do 11 and 12 on your own. For 13, we are writing the word problem. I'm going to demonstrate one. You are going to then write your own. Okay. So I have 140 as my total. I have 60 here, and I have something that is unknown. So for this problem, I could do Maria has $140. She will use $60 to pay for a new pair of shoes. How much money will she have to spend on other items? Okay, now you write your own for that problem. It does not have to be money. The next one, I have an unknown total, and I have the 2 add-ins. So for this one, I could say there are 90 students in 4th grade and 80 students in 5th grade. How many students are there in 4th and 5th grade? Okay. All right, you can skip number 15. We are moving on, then raise your hand to get a star. Then you're moving on to your homework. Your homework looks just like page 128. Okay. Again, you need to make sure that over on this side you have break apart drawings. I noticed that some of you on your homework have not been showing your work, so please make sure that your work is being shown and you're writing the equations. Oops. Okay, so then over here you need to have something plus something equals something and then your answer. Even though it's on your iPad, you should still be showing your work. Okay, back side. We are going to do all on this page as well. So you have all for both sides. Raise your hand if you have questions, otherwise get started.